Last episode we flew into Barbados where we explored Maxwell Beach and some of the other sites around the island. We then hopped on a quick flight to St. Vincent and the Grenadines. We arrived at Blue Lagoon Marina where we met our crew, Ellie and Captain Steve, on the catamaran Blue Moon.
Welcome to Blue Moon, guys!
Yeah, I'm from London. I'm from East London.
We had a terrific sail around the leeward side of St. Vincent and anchored for the night in Cumberland Bay. Good morning, everyone. It's day 2, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. We're going to head today to Trinity Falls in the morning. There's a local by the name of William who's going to give us a guided tour. Hiking to the top of Dark View Falls, where apparently there's 2 waterfalls. There's a smaller one first and then a much bigger one at the top, and hoping to get some drone footage of the top one. Got lava rocks here, kind of a lava flow remnants.
Well, one of these days, gonna pay the road. Yeah, one of these days, gonna run for fun. Yeah, one of these days when you're all alone, out back wishing for the grass to grow. Oh yeah, one of these days, gonna run for fun. Yeah, one of these days, gonna settle down. Yeah, when the cops ain't catching and the boys ain't jumping more, you're gonna wish your heart was thumping. No. Yeah, but the air keeps saying that the water keeps bringing no troubles in life are not worth saying no.
Here's the deal with this drone footage right here. I thought I captured some amazing views from the top of the falls, but when I reviewed the footage, nothing had been recorded except the takeoff and landing.
Yeah, well, one of these days you're gonna pay the road. Yeah, one of these days gonna run for fun. Yeah, one of these days when you're all alone, out there wishing for the grass to grow.
Making it so we don't crash or sink. I'm sure I'm saving the day.
Fun, one of these.
Just sailing to Bequia. I think it's called Bequia.
It is that way. How do you spell it?
B-E-Q-U-I-A. We almost had a catastrophe with the drone. We had it flying with the sailboat alongside. I just showed some footage of that. But after about 5-10 minutes, it said maximum distance reached, even though it was still close by, and it wouldn't let me fly any further. It just literally hovered there. I was really afraid that it was going to go back to the return to home feature, but it did not. It just hovered there. So luckily I was able to get Skipper Steve to swing the boat back around, and we were able to get right underneath the drone, and I was able to lower it and catch it. But it got the heart pounding for a few minutes there. It was crazy.
Okay, so we're on the passage between St Vincent and the Isle of Bequia, St Vincent and the Grenadines. We've got 2 reefs in the mainsail, 2 reefs in the Genoa. We're sailing about 10 or 11 knots. Everything's beautiful.
We keep seeing these flying fish over the water, and they're like little hummingbirds that just speed along the surface of the water.
Is that GoPro like your teddy bear? You go everywhere with it? We're entering Bequia now, I believe, for customs. And hopefully a little lobster.
We got some lobster from some local fishermen here. Steve, how do you suppose that happened with that catamaran?
That's just a big oops.
They hit a...
They've hit the charted shoal, so no excuse for that one. That's just bad luck.
It looks like Captain Hook lives on that pirate ship.
Taking a little pathway into Bequia.
Oh, I'm peeling apples so we can make apple crumble.